Welcome to the San Diego Mesa College online library tutorials. Today we're going to talk about our new OneSearch tool that's replacing SuperSearch that used to be on our home page. When you go to our home page, you'll notice that now it says OneSearch. I'm going to show you basic navigation. I'm going to put in video games and violent behavior as my topic. I click search and it moves me to the OneSearch platform. You'll see that I got 32,189 results. Let's take a look at the first one so you can see the difference between this and what you might be familiar with from what we had before. The first item that I have is a newspaper article. I click on the title, or I can click down here where it says available online. Either way is fine. It's going to take me to the same place. It starts at the top with the same thing you saw on the home page, which is the title, who wrote it, which in this case is anonymous, where it comes from, which in this case is Pediatrics for Parents in 2001, Volume 19, Issue 5, on page 5, and a quote from the first line of the article. Below that it says Send To. Here there are options to print, cite, create a permalink, or email. At this point in time, I would suggest not using these because it's going to send you only this front page, there's a better place to do this. Let's just say that, and I'll show you in just a second. Underneath that are all the databases that happen to hold this particular article. Now these are the databases from all three of our colleges, which means that we may not have all of them. So for example, Mesa College is mainly using EBSCOhost and Gale as the vendors for their databases. So this particular article, when I click on ProQuest Central, takes me to a Miramar sign-in page. That's because Mesa College doesn't own this article in ProQuest. If I go down to the next one, which is EBSCO, it'll take me to an Mesa College sign-in page, and then I'll see this site. This page is an EBSCOhost, and it's all the information about this article. Now, if you used our system before, this should look very familiar to you. It's available in HTML full text, so if I want to see it, I just click on HTML full text and it brings up the article, and I can take a look at it, send it to myself, print it, email it, save site, all the things. Now here's the thing though. If I go back and click result list now, it's not going to take me back to OneSearch. It only takes me back to the actual information about the article in the EBSCOhost platform. What I need to do is go up to the top and click on the tab that says Video Games and Violent Behavior. What it did is it opened up an EBSCO tab right next to my OneSearch tab. So to go back to all of the article options, I need to click on that tab. Now if I'd like to see this in the Gale database, I can click on Gale and see the exact same article on the Gale platform. Again, here's the information about the article. I click on the title and up comes the article. Again, if you used our system before, you'll note that this is very similar to what you've seen previously. I click on that tab again and get my options. Now, if I want to go back to see the other items that came up when I put in video games and violent behavior into the search bar, I can either use my back button or I can click on this X. Either way, it'll take me here back to my 32,189 results. And that was a very basic look at OneSearch and how to pull up an article. If you'd like any additional assistance, please feel free to contact one of your Mesa College librarians. Thank you.